Hello everyone, it's 4th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have government withdraws order to install Sanchar Sathi app. Again very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have airport secure as Indigo cancels at least 200 flights. Again very important. Going forward we have Bihar government committed to generating 1 crore jobs in next 5 years, says the governor. Again very important for employment perspective. Then we have academics protest against plan to repeal ISI Act, introduced bill to revamp institute. Again very important for education perspective. Then we have plan to divert Ganga water to Yamuna, hits farmer roadblock. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have Indigo Cure sends domestic airfares soaring to 1.3 lakh. Again very important. Moving forward we have Delhi residents protest against rising pollution, demand concrete plan. Again very important. Then we have this fog blanket image where we have motorcycles drive through dense early morning fog in Araku. Again very important for pollution as well as environment perspective. Going forward we have why has Airbus ordered upgrades to its aircraft. Again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have why is volcanic ash a safety concern for flights. Again very important for geography perspective. Then we have understanding Ambedkar, why reading his work carefully is important today. Again very important for history perspective. Going forward we have states will have to abide by the terms of Samagra Shiksha to receive funds. Again very important for education and policy and development perspective. Then we have no data on employment of transgender people, says the government. Again very important for society perspective as well as employment perspective. Moving forward we have Calcutta High Court sets aside order terminating 32,000 primary teachers in Bengal. Again very important. Then we have man-animal conflict phrase India's wildlife conservation principles. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have smartphone sales hit a plateau on shift to premium, says Xiaomi. Again very important for economic perspective. Then we have higher duties on cigarettes will be shared with the state, says finance minister. Again very important for polity and governance perspective. Lastly we have the world page where we have US Russia find no compromise on territory after talks on Ukraine. Then we have Sri Lanka braces for tough recovery after cyclone. Then we have Israel will start letting Palestinians leave Gaza. Then we have US halts immigration applications for 19 nations, processed requests to face probe, and all these news are very important for international relations perspective, and this is very important for disaster management perspective. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching.